Hi everyone, I'm Joel and I will show you what I did during the Sketch City Week in 2017. I had this location here. It's an abandoned water park in Rotterdam called Tropicana, and my task was to find out how to improve it. This is how it looks inside, and there are going to be a lot of working spaces here, for example, and it's called the project Blue City that wants to make all these working spaces here for startups with sustainable materials. This is how such a workspace for a startup could look like. And the problem is, at the moment, the place with the project Blue City only attracts startups and people who want to have a cool office there. But the problem is they want to attract the public as well to see how cool and environmental friendly the place is. So what I did is I came up with 3 ideas how to make cool attractions that next to the startup working spaces also attracts the public. For example, I did a place where you could make workshops for cooking. For example, cooking workshops with leftover food which would normally be thrown away, and the tables are made out of sustainable materials. For example, river planks. There are actually startups that makes tables out of river planks. What I also did is that the abandoned water park is pretty tall, so we need to use the height of the building as well. So what I did is I came up with a climbing park where you could also use sustainable material, and you could also incorporate a lot of cool things. For example, the water slides, which are still in the water park. The third thing I came up with was a dance floor, because the water park is not used at night yet, and with like a cool wood floor around here, you could make awesome parties here. And you could also incorporate the Aloha bar, which is right next to it, so you could attract a lot of people to there with these attractions. And the thing is that you have here all the working spaces of the startups with the sustainable materials, and you have the fun part over there. And because the fun part can get a little bit noisy, I thought about the glass walls in the middle of the whole thing, so the working people here could still work without getting distracted. And yeah, that's my idea for the abandoned water park Tropicana in Rotterdam and how to improve the location.